leave it out! Oh, I'm in a train. But I'm in a cockpit. So, I don't... No, he's on our train. No, he's not. Oh, shit, that scared me. Oh, he's throwing booms. Get it, kid. Alright, let me head back in there. Alright. Let's go. I'm running, boy. I don't know what to do. Alright. Are you in? God, dude, you keep glitching me out, dude. Walk away from the front of the train if you're on it. I'm in. Alright. I am on my screen. You're glitching out too. You're in, but you're glitching out a little bit. Alright, so we have Tupac right here. He's on our train, doing what he does. Do we got Tupac right here? And then, oh wait, what the fuck? Oh, that looks like you. Alright, move over to the Tupac, because right now I want to get in the seat, man. Oh, glitch! Yes! I'm in the seat, boys. Aerosmith. I'm hitting the button. Wait, am I? Yeah, I'm hitting buttons. Bump, 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 jump, jump, yeah. Being a train, man, doing my thing. Down, 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 down. Being a train. Where are you? Oh, I see you. Hi there. Dun 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 dun. Everything looks like it's everything looks clear ahead, sir. Hey, why don't you? What are you doing here? Like, oh, Nick, what's your job here? I'm right now. I'm occupying the train. Are you the crack dealer in the just in one of the things? You're a DJ? Oh yeah, alright, I'm just touching all the buttons and make sure everything's good. Oh my, yeah, you're a good DJ, alright, okay. Alright. No, I didn't fall off, I climbed out. But I fucking died. Help, I'm dead. Help, I'm dead, sir. Please help, I'm dead. Help, I'm dead, get out, help me! Help me, your captain is dying! I'm watching you. Alright, go ahead. I am. Just do it. Come on, tell me what we gotta do. Tell me what we have to do. I think I got you. Train, not year, but hurry, train. Train. He's coming, just train. Oh, train. Train! I'm on it, I'm on train. Me train, I go. I can't, I have to be the pilot. I have to be able to do this. I have to. In the name of trains. Hold what? Select, of course. Up and then, oh yeah, I like that, man. It didn't, it just says 1-on-1 deathmatch. No man, it's fine. It says 1-on-1 deathmatch. I did it right. Oh, where is it? Get in the car! Ah! in the crack. I'm not in the crack. Then run, boy. Pull out your guns. Defend. Defend your weed. Defend your weed or run. Oh, I made it. I'm in. Alright, time to do what I'm supposed to. Alright, I'm back on job. I know, Larry. It's hard. It's hard. Oh, we have the same guys last time, dude. Alright. Yeah. Alright, I'm doing my job. Alright, I hope you guys like, subscribe, comment down below. If not, fuck you. But otherwise, I will see you in the next fucking video. Squash!